Good morning, people. As you can tell, I've finally got my mic adapter sorted. It took absolutely ages. How can such a small piece of kit cost so much money and be out of stock around the world? Fucking crazy. What I did see though is some on eBay being sold for like 150 quid. And it's like, you greedy bastards. Anyway, enough of that. I've got one now. So I just set it all up. Have a little ride, because I don't know if that's picking up that fucking cloud over there. We're in for some rain. But I got bored in the house, so decided to go quick half-hour spin, check this setup, see if it's all good. See how we get on. This traffic is horrific. These traffic lights are crap. Look at that cloud. I really want to try and avoid that. No cloud. We'll go that way. Oh, these traffic lights, man. The longer I'm waiting here, the faster that cloud is coming over. So we need to get going, people. Come on. This is my lovely little town. Oh man, come on. Ooh, I spy a sports there. Ooh, it's by a couple. It's 12, isn't it? Right, let's try and beat this rain cloud off. Oh, that's big hair. Oh. I suppose I come to town at the wrong time, lunchtime. That's bad. Fucking shit in my eyes. Just traffic lights after traffic lights after traffic lights. Man, my bike is vibrating like mad. I'm watching the GoPro bounce. I wonder if this hyper smooth will knock that off. Like, I think I'm gonna get caught in the rain. Tell you what, we'll just I suppose it should have gone down. Oh, sorry, look at this way. Very interested to see how that wind noise is affecting the bike. the mic is picking up any of that wind noise. Hopefully not. I've got a dead cat on it. Dead cat. It's still so freaking cold. So I'm back on the Fury Gun gloves. Wow, they're so nice. But they leave that gap on my wrist. Gap on the wrist. Just fucking cold. So a nice chill down the lanes. It's not a bad view of the beacons, right? The beauty of having a day off and a bike, red bump. Oh, not quite, but yeah, the beauty of having a day off and it not raining. We have had the showers, but it's not pissing down. You just jump on the bike and go for a spin. I've got nowhere to go, I've got nowhere to be, so just go for a ride. Exploring the lanes. Even though I know where this one turns up, but there's something to do anyway. Wait for a nicer day, I'll start going up on the mountains. It does sound nice when you give it a bit of rev through the lanes and the high bushes either side. It does sound cool. But my next purchase is definitely some forward controls. I get cramp in my left leg all the time. Like it hasn't rained down here. Well, we definitely run away from that big ass rain cloud. Got away with that. But rain. Can't beat that for a view. I don't know if this has happened to anybody else, but I've got a spider crawling around in my helmet. I can see him at the top of my helmet, crawling around. I can feel him on my forehead. Little bugger. Very off-putting, but Sanimate! Ooh, it goes tense, doesn't it? What's happening? So if any of you are remotely interested in following me on my adventures, give me a like, give me a subscribe and all that jazz. I am on Instagram, DanoMoto. post most photos on there. Give me go have a look, right? Go check me out. If you're not bothered and you're not interested, no drama.